Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making mutton karai today. It is very delicious and made with freshly ground spices. To make this yummy karai, we need mutton pieces 2 pounds, 5 tomatoes without seeds, make big chunks of them, ginger 7 pieces, julienne cut, onion 1 medium size, extra virgin olive oil 1/3 cup, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, dried fenugreek leaf with is sookhi methi 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/8 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, and Carom powder which is ajwain 1/4 teaspoon. So let's start making mutton karai with bismillah. In a dry pan, add olive oil, then sliced onion, fry them for 2 minutes on high flame until they change their color. Then take them out of the pan. Keep the flame medium low and add mutton pieces in it. Fry them on medium high flame for 3 minutes until they change their color. Now add fried onion back in pan. Also add tomatoes, ginger and all ingredients mentioned to make karai. Mix everything on high flame for 1 minute. When it starts to cook, tomatoes will release their juices and mutton will become tender in it. So cover it and let it cook for 1 minute on high flame. After 1 minute, it starts to make steam in it and cooking beautifully, mashallah. Now cover it again and let it cook for 45 minutes on medium low flame. After 45 minutes, tomatoes release their juices. As you can see, now cover it again and cook it for more 45 minutes on medium low flame. These are 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaf and green chilies 3 to garnish it. After 45 minutes, we will check if mutton is soft now. Let me show you. Yes, it is soft now, pulling apart from the bones. Now keep the flame high and cook it for 5 minutes without lid. Alhamdulillah, our delicious mutton karai is ready. Turn off the flame and garnish it with cilantro leaves and green chilies. Also add some pieces of ginger. Then enjoy with roti or naan or even with boiled rice. So let's enjoy it together with bismillah.